Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use auto screen setting on Realme phone. Friends, you want to use your auto screen setting. So when how to on and use in this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting to on auto screen setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on your Realme phone display and brightness setting. After on display and brightness, friends, you want to use light mode, you want to on dark mode. So when right side click, dark mode will on. And friends, already you have on dark mode, you can off from here guys. And second option, auto brightness. Friends, you want to on, you can on your auto brightness. After on which your brightness will decrease and increase automatic on your Realme mobile. So as I will off, I will increase brightness. Friends, eye comfort mode means eyes protection mode. Friends, you want to on, you can on and you can use from here guys. Friends, click on auto rotate setting guys. We will on auto rotate. After on guys, auto rotate guys, come back. Friends, click on any app. Example guys, I will on YouTube. So friends, you want to rotate your screen, so you can rotate your automatic, your screen will rotate guys. Rotate it, and friends, screen will rotate, and friends, now you can use your auto rotate screen on your Realme phone guys. So like we can on and use auto rotate setting. Same setting with Google app. With on your Google app, friends, you want to rotate your screen you can rotate, your screen will rotate, and friends, you can use your auto rotate screen on your Realme phone. And friends, you don't want to use, friends, click on phone setting again. After on phone setting friends, click on display brightness again. Friends, click on auto rotate setting. Auto rotate will off, and friends, your screen will not rotate automatic on your Realme mobile. You can check, you can try guys. So like that guy, we can on and use auto rotate setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.